The UP Congress netas, about 100 of them, Nikhil, are going to be visiting Ram Mandir on the 15th, मकर संक्रांति पे. क्या आप उनको रोक लेंगे?
क्यों रोकना क्यों चाहिए?
अच्छा, तो you want to run with the hair, you want to hunt with the hound, क्योंकि आपने प्रूव किया ना निखिल that this is actually Modi Virod only. And in your Modi Virod, you're also doing a Ram Virod. But you know, Anupriya, wait. Let's get Anupriya also, and then I think by the time we'll also have Monujeet with us. Anupriya ji, क्या नीतीश कुमार जी को निमंत्रण मिला है? Has he been formally invited for the consecration?
दीप्ति जी, मुझे आधिकारिक रूप से यह जानकारी है कि अभी तक कोई हमें अपना आमंत्रण नहीं मिला है। निश्चित तौर पे आपने अपने स्टूडियो में और अपने चैनल पे भी हमने राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता केसी त्यागी जी को सुनाया। निश्चित तौर पे आमंत्रण मिलेगा, हम उस पर विचार करेंगे। लेकिन हमने यह भी कहा है कि प्रभु श्री राम जो है आराध्य है और सनातन के लिए हम सभी का ये धर्म बनता है, उस पर टीका टिप्पणी नहीं करें। लेकिन जब मैं एक बात क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर बीजेपी ने इसे एजेंडा बनाया है, क्योंकि अगर यह बीजेपी के लिए होता, क्योंकि आपने अपने कैप्शन में डाला कि क्या ये बीजेपी मोदी राम विरोधी या मोदी विरोधी, निश्चित तौर पे अगर हम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज विरोध कर रहे हैं तो हम मोदी विरोधी हो गए, हम राम विरोधी हो गए। लेकिन 4 शंकराचार्यों ने इस आमंत्रण को ठुकराया है। देखिए, अगर प्रभु श्री राम को आप कहते हैं तो वो धर्म से ही जुड़ा हुआ सवाल है, वह पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से जुड़ा हुआ सवाल नहीं है। वो हमारे हिंदू धर्म के आराध्य हैं और प्रभु हैं, तो हिंदू रीति रिवाज से ही आप चलेंगे।
Anupriya, when the Congress says that this is a political event, much like Akhilesh Yadav, I do remember Akhilesh Yadav, Nikhil and Anupriya said for the longest time कि अभी तो invitation मिला ही नहीं है, invitation मिलेगा तो जाएंगे. And the moment the invitation arrives, Anupriya, he says कि अरे जिनसे invitation आया वो तो strangers हैं और हम किसी stranger के द्वारा दिए गए invitation में नहीं जाते. तो देखिए, Nikhil, people are watching. The point is, the point is there is a Tirath Sthan that is organizing the entire Ram Pratishtha. The BJP for the longest time has been fighting for the Ram Mandir. But Anupriya, tell me just one little thing. Will Nitish Kumar, if invited, be going for the Pran Pratishtha or not? Or you believe, like the Congress, you will also boycott the big ceremony?
दीप्ति जी, मैंने पहले भी क्लियर कहा कि अगर हमें आमंत्रण मिलेगा, निश्चित तौर पे हम जाने का प्रयास करेंगे, क्योंकि ये लास्टली डिसीजन लेना है हमारे नीतीश कुमार जी, हमारे नेता को। पर मैं फिर कहती हूँ कि आपने ये जो पूरे इंडिया अलायंस को एक कटघरे में लाके खड़ा कर दिया है कि मोदी विरोधी या राम विरोधी, बिल्कुल ये पॉलिटिकल इवेंट हो गया है। क्योंकि अगर हम हिंदू रीति रिवाज को मानेंगे, सनातन रीति रिवाज को मानेंगे, तो यह उचित नहीं है कि किसी भी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा अधूरी मंदिर में हो। और इसको अगर हम हिंदू हैं तो हम अपने शंकराचार्य को मानेंगे क्या? पॉलिटिकल हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी कहते हैं वो ये
पॉलिटिकल कोई स्टैंड लीजिए ना, आप सीधा बोलिए कि आप कांग्रेस की तरह नहीं जाएंगे। दिक्कत ये है कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बहुत ओपेक हो जाती है। अनुप्रिया, केसी त्यागी जी से जब हमने बातचीत की थी, उन्होंने सीधा ये कहा था अभी तक इन्विटेशन नहीं आए, लेकिन अगर इन्विटेशन आएगा तो नीतीश कुमार जी विचार करेंगे। कांग्रेस को 20 दिन लगते हैं निखिल टू डिसाइड दैट दे विल नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस। बट बिफोर आई कम बैक टू बोथ ऑफ यू अगेन, एंड वी आर ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू गेट Monujeet with us. Charu, I mean, is this all about politics for the BJP, as both Nikhil and Anupriya have also been asserting? What about the Shankaracharyas? What about their Virod? Is the BJP not concerned about anything but votes, as they allege?
Deepti, good evening. I'm too small and too junior to comment on what a Shankaracharya says in my country. But at the same time, I also want to draw attention to what he used to say before it was decided by the Supreme Court that Ram Mandir must come up on that Janmabhoomi itself. He said, मंशा ही नहीं है, मोदी जी की मंशा ही नहीं है भारत सरकार की यहाँ राम मंदिर बने। जब बनने लगा तो उन्होंने दूसरे सवाल उठाने शुरू कर दिए। बट दैट बीइंग सेड, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहती। व्हेन द डे इज ओवरहेड वील ऑल नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग। बट हियर दोज हु आर सेइंग दिस इवेंट इज बीइंग पॉलिटिसाइज्ड, लेट मी फर्स्ट बिगिन बाय आस्किंग निखिल, व्हेन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट said that the Ram Mandir must be made, you know what the Congress did? they ran to take credit. All Congress spokespersons, Nikhil included, were saying ताला किसने तोड़ा था. लगता है निखिल ये बात भूल गए हैं. At the same time, now on 22nd of January, Karnataka government is getting ready. It's given instructions to all the temples that Bhagwan Shri Ram must be celebrated and prayed to on 22nd on government expenditure. So what are you doing now? Isn't this politicizing? And when you blame BJP, when you raise fingers at BJP, let me very honestly and frankly tell you, in 1989, BJP decided that this movement is going to be our movement. We own it, we claim it, we're not ashamed of it. Ram Mandir has been very important for us and we have fought every step of the way, and we are grateful to the Supreme Court to supporting this movement for us. At the same time, now जब प्राण प्रतिष्ठान होने जा रहे हैं, you are turning around and saying कि ये political है. भाई या तो आप बोलो भगवान सबके हैं तो सब जाएं, एक तरफ आप बोलते हैं भगवान सबके हैं, हमको invitation की जरूरत नहीं, invitation आता है आप उसको ठुकरा देते हो.
I'm a little confused. Charu, will Nitish Kumar ji be invited for the consecration?
And at the same
Then,
time, with the same
good evening also to Monojit who joins us. Monojit, before I come to you, Charu, Nitish Kumar. Charu, will you be inviting Nitish Kumar for the consecration?
Yes, absolutely. I'm sure the invitation will come to him sooner or later. But let me tell you who all is not attending. Congress is not attending. TMC is not attending. Samajwadi Party is not attending. CPIM is not attending. Shiv Sena is not attending. So anybody who aligns themselves with India Alliance, anybody who supported the DMK statement that went against Sanatan and Hindus is obviously not going to attend, because how will they play out their minority politics? How will their appeasement continue? अगर आ गए राम मंदिर में तो that is why
see, the Congress is doomed if they do. The Congress is doomed if they don't. You know, Charu, the BJP has been calling them anti-Hindu for the longest time. For the longest time. And Nikhil, whether you accept this or not, you believe that, you know, this possibly could help you consolidate your votes in Kerala, in Telangana, in Karnataka. A lot of leaders have spoken like that. But Anupriya ji, aati hu aapke paas. Let me quickly get it, Monojit. Monojit, why does Mamata Banerjee believe this is an election gimmick? You know, आप दुर्गा माँ की पूजा करते हैं, पूरे देश में दुर्गा माँ की पूजा होती है. No one says that's a gimmick, you know. To be able to say that Ram Mandir ki pratishtha is an election gimmick, Monojit, I mean, why? Why should a political party be speaking like that? Why can you be so casual about someone's faith?
First of all, whose program it is? Is it Government of India's program or BJP's program? I do not think the Supreme Court of India has asked BJP to build a Ram Mandir and then make politics out of it. And then on top of this, now you're saying this Pran Pratishtha. It's not inauguration of the temple. You have actually now changed the semantics entirely, because you know the temple is not been built, and many of even the religious gurus who are in many sense real Hindu sect of this country, our seers, they are also
so you
refusing
will want to
to
talk
go.
about some who might have said something negative or political. You will not talk about crores of people who are happy and celebrating
Charu, let him complete, then you can counter him.
You also have a problem.
Monojit, but I just want to draw your attention to the moot question I asked. Is this the Modi Virod or is this the Ram Virod?
Mr. Mandal can only scream. Tell me, did you not put people in jail for only chanting Jai Shri Ram? You are not happy. You are not happy at all. You side with TMC against Sanatan. How will you be happy?
We can't hear either of you like this, please. One by one. Monojit first.
Hindu person on TV because she is
Monojit,
most intolerant.
Monojit, is worshipping Lord Ram is going to against Lord Ram, against secularism in the country?
Of course. Yeah, because
Monojit,
we also believe in the Congress thought of good Hindus and bad Hindus. Who is he
Look
to
at
hand out the
yourself. I
certificate
pity
to
you.
BJP?
I pity
And why is
your
he
level
being
of
allowed
tolerance
to talk
when you
like
do
this?
not allow
No,
others
if both of you keep speaking over each other, I can barely hear you.
People behind
You
bars
are an
for chanting
un-Hindu
Jai Shri
person.
Ram,
You are
and
a
they should be
fake
ashamed.
un-Hindu
And how
person
dare he point a
destroying
finger at me in
the
that
Monojit,
way?
please don't make this personal against anyone. Okay, we'll go to Anupriya.
Otherwise, I will ensure this debate.
Monojit and Charu, please pull back for a moment.